Hello everyone and welcome to video number 2 in our Google Classroom series. I'm so glad you came back to check out the next video. Today I'm going to be showing you all about the stream. Now there's 4 different views you can see up here at the top: stream, classwork, people, grades. Today is all about the stream and what you can do here. The nice thing about Google Classroom is it gives you a little bit of instructions. Down here at the bottom it tells you communicate with your class here, create and schedule announcements, and respond to student posts. But that's not all you can do. You can also share or display the class code so your students can enter your Google Classroom. You can also select a theme. Right here you see this banner. You can change that. That is the theme. And not only just this banner, but when you choose a new theme, it will change the color of the words. Then you can also upload a photo, kind of like I have right here. Also on the stream, you will be able to see, and the students will be able to see, all of the work that is coming up to be due soon. That, in a nutshell, is the stream. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, share this video, and comment with any questions right below. I'll see you in the next video.